How to reset password in OKX app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset password in OKX app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your OKX. Now, if you're not already logged into your account, you will get an option that says forgot password, from which you can reset the password. If you're already logged in but you still want to reset your password, this is how you do it. Tap on your profile, that is on the top left corner, the 9 dots. Tap on that and then tap on your profile right here. Tap on your profile and you'll be on your profile section. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your security section. Now while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. Now after you're on the security section, you will see an option called login password and authentication methods. Right there, what you'll need to do is tap on it. Now if you have not already set a password, you can set a password from here, or if you already have a password, you can reset your password from here. But the thing is, you will need to remember your password beforehand. And if you do not remember your password beforehand, you can simply head over to a login page and then tap on forgot password, from where you will be able to retrieve your password of your OKX, from where you can reset it and then change it from your Google account or your mobile phone number. After you're here, you'll simply need to type in your new password, confirm your new password login, and enter your authentication code from your mobile phone. And that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you can reset your password in OKX app. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more.